Welcome back, guys. Oftentimes I do mentions promoting your link organically or promote your products organically as a business owner or as an online marketer. The key quality you have to possess is how you can promote your products organically. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can promote your products organically using bulk email. If you stick with me from the beginning to the end of this video, you will start learning how you can promote all products, Amazon KDP, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, any product at all, or physical products. Have a business and you don't know how to promote your products organically, it means you need this video. After watching this video, you start promoting any product you are selling online. There's a CPA strategy that I have compiled a video which I actually use bulk SMS, and I'm going to release the video tonight. All right, so it's advisable you watch this and understand it very well, so before you can jump into that CPA marketing. Now, aside that, the CPA marketing, I dropped full course about Amazon KDP last time, and you guys keep asking, how do I promote my product, how do I promote my link? This is a right video for you. All right, watch this video from the beginning to the end and implement whatever I'm going to share with you, and implement on any product that you want to sell out, and you'll start getting sale on that product. The strategy we're going to be using is sending bulk email to people that need this our product. As you send them the email, if they take action on it, you're going to be getting paid for it. So without further ado, let's dive in. But as usual, now I'm Gideon. What I do on the channel, I'll go out there, do research on website, I pay the one that pay me, I come back here and I share with you. So in exchange, just like and subscribe to this channel for more videos on how I can make money on crypto, Binance, and online entirely. So without further ado, let's dive in. To send a bulk email, the first thing you have to do, you must have a product that you want to sell or you want to talk about. For instance, if you are into real estate, or you have a product on Amazon KDP, or you have a product on affiliate marketing, then you are going to search for something like .mark, your product, close .mark, open .mark at gmail.com. At the top here, you see something like .mark CPA group, close .mark, open .mark gmail.com. So once I open this one, anyone that have ever searched about CPA group, all their email are going to pop up, and once it pop up, all you have to do is to copy everything and send them bulk SMS. So this is what we're going to be doing in this video. Now, if you are into Amazon KDP, you, instead of using CPA group, you're going to enter something like .mark Amazon KDP, close.mark, open.mark at gmail.com. Right, it has opened, and if you scroll down, you can see something like CPA. If you look at the button, at the down button, you see something like Gmail. You can see it. So anyone you open here, they are full of email, Gmail for you. You can see this one Gmail, this one Gmail. So all these subtitles that you see here are full of Gmail. So I'm going to copy everything like this. All right, copy to the end. All right, this is it. I'm going to copy it this way, copy, and I'm going to head over to this website called light14.us. 14.us has opened, and you see this is all the text I copy from there. After you have pasted your text here, all you have to do is to scroll down a little bit, and you see something like extract. All right, so it's going to extract and give you all the email that are inside there. So I'm going to click on extract like this, and instantly, boom, we are able to get 19 email from there. You can see it at the down button. So what I have to do now is to copy everything from here. All right, now if you want to send an email, this one I just entered is about CPA group. All right, you can still keep entering about CPA or anything related to CPA. This particular one I just type is CPA group. The next one you're going to type is CPA marketing, and make sure you generate yourself over 50 email or 100 email. The more you send, the more chance you stand to get your product sell out. All right, now after you have accumulated all this email all for free, the next one is for you to send this email to them. To send the email, you're going to head over to where your email is located. So once you open your email like this, what you're going to be doing is to compose your message, what you are going to be sending to these people. I promote my CPA marketing with this strategy today. Let me open my draft. All right, this is the draft, and if I open it, you can see it. This is it here. I just sent out, and if I open my email, all right, let me see sent. All right, you can see it. If you come down here, you see that I've sent over 30 email to people that need CPA product. All of these were delivered. This is the message I sent. I said something like, I recently come across this and blah blah blah, and I drop my link for them. You can see this is the product, and this is the title: earn 50 with CPA grip, earn $50 with CPA grip. So this is the email I sent to people that need my product, and this email all of them received except 3% that was bounced back. All right, so this is what you're going to be doing, and you're going to compose your email like this. And after you have done composing your email, you are going to click on close, and once you click on close, you are going to find it in your draft just like this one. All right, so once you are find it on your draft, the next now is for you to go and send a bulk SMS. To send this bulk SMS, you're going to search for something like Google Sheet. All right, this is Google Sheet, you can see. So you're going to open the first one. This thing I'm doing, you can do it with your mobile phone. All right, so I've dragged it and opened it very well. Any email we're going to be using now is going to enter this space. All right, now that you have come to this point, what you're going to be doing is to give a title email. You can name it anything you like: make money online or money making. Right, so I've entered the title of my email. Now that you have gotten this one, the next now is for you to head over to where it says extensions. Look around, you're going to find extension, and this is extensions here. Once I click on extensions, it says something like add on. Once you click on add on, it's going to bring you another tab which is get add on, and once you click on it, it's going to open for us in this way. Now it has opened, and at this point you can download Mega Mail Merge. All right, Mega Mail Merge. Once you click on it this way, it's going to open for us. This is Mega Mail Merge at this point, and you're going to click on it again. And once you click on it, you're going to see something like install. Like you can see this one now, it says uninstall because I have it on my Chrome already. So there's no point of installing it again. All right, this is the first one you can use. Sometimes this one they do ask you to make a payment. No, don't make any payments. If you are not allowed to carry out your work on these ones, you can go back to the next one. Yet another mail merge. You can see it at the top. You're going to search for it this way, and this is it here: mail merge for sheets. And once you're going to open this one, and once you open it, you can also see it says uninstall. That is, I've installed it already on my Chrome. Let me uninstall it so we can show you everything at once, so you don't get missed on the road. Right, let me install it so you can see. Now see what it's telling us. You want to go with your email. I say yes, and I'm going to scroll down to the last button, and I'll click on allowed. And once it's allowed, instantly it's downloading already without wasting time. Now it have added to our Chrome. As you can see, it's something like uninstall. So this time around, I'm going to close it this way. It have installed. So now that it have installed, where can we find this another yet mail merge? You're going to locate this point at the down button here. You're going to click on it this way, and this is it here. This is the Mega Mail Merge, and this is yet another email. Right, all right guys, before we go further, this is the last email I sent. See what they said. This, the first one they say clicked, the second one sent, the next one they say click, the second one they say sent, unsubscribe. So these are the email I sent of recent, and this is the click I just got. All right, I've gotten some click from it already. If I take you to my CPA marketing, you're going to discover that I have some value on it already. So let me open my CPA for you so you can see. You can see it. I've gotten $21 from it already. These are all the email that I send with yet another mail merge. All right, so now that you are here, the next thing now, you're going to go back to your dashboard, and you're going to open it in this way. Once it has opened for you like this, you're going to locate this Mega Mail Merge, and once you click on it, it's going to ask you to import all your content. Just click on import, and look at this site now. Once it's import, all right, this is it. What you have to do now is to go and copy all those emails which you copy from light14.us that time. You're going to input them one after the other. For instance, me, I normally save it in one place, so you can see it. These are the email which I saved then, and I'm going to start copying them one after the other. You can see it. I'll copy this way, copy email, come back here, and I'm going to paste it. All right, don't remove this support.app.com mego don't remove it. As from second line, you can start inputting your own. Now you want to copy all the email one after the other. As now after you have filled out all the email, all right, you can have up to 100 or 500 email. The highest you can send at once is 500 email to send this bulk SMS. To do that, now you're going to click on Mego again, and once it open at this way, you're going to click on Mail Merge, and once you click on Mail Merge, it's going to bring out your content which save itself. Draft that time is going to pop up for you. This is the content that I'm having. If you have more than one, click on this dot at the side and all of the contents are going to come out. Select the one which you want to send, and that is, you have composed your message already. That the message you saved that time. Then at this point, there's no need of you entering anything. Your email will show itself automatically. And coming down here, the name which you want it to follow what you are sending, you can change the name to either Emmanuel Gideon or any other name you feel like use at all. Then you're going to click on send for email. You can see it just like I've told you, the highest you can send at once is 500. And as you can see, they say this is the one I want to send just 4. You can, if you can't, you can see that we have just 4 emails. So before you send this email, you might like to track your email if it is open, responded, click or bounce. Just like I've showed you, you're going to click on turn it on. Now that you have turned it on, whatever is going to happen with the email you're sending, you're going to be getting response. If they open it, you get a response. If they click it, you get a response. If they bounce it back, you're going to get a response. My own that I sent over 30 email, 3 was bounced back, but others were delivered successful. And as I open, you can see some that they have opened already. What you have to do next is you just click on send email. Now once you click on send email, they are going to send to them instantly. All right, it demands me to select my email, and you can see it, I've selected my email already, and give it a time to send. So it's going to send everything to all this your email instantly, and they are going to receive. You are going to be getting response. If they read it, if they open it, if they fill the form, you are going to be getting response. So this is how you can send bulk email to contacts that need your product. All right, I think we have come to the end of this video. If you like what you see so far, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And the video I dropped last time about Amazon KDP, go and use these strategies and promote your link or your products. Right now, there's another video that's going to be dropping later evening, which is about CPA marketing. And as you can come to my dashboard, you can see that I've gotten some value with that email, and I'm going to be sharing the video for you. Stay tuned. See you next time in our next video. It's loading. So what you're going to see next time, now you discover that it has sent. They have sent our email. You can see sent for email. Open 0 out of 4, click 0 out of 4, respond 0 out of 4, unsubscribe 0 out of 4. We just send. You can see if you come to the email now, you discover something like sent. All right, so this is it. We have sent the 4 email, merge completed 4/4. That is to say, we have sent this 4 email to them, and as they receive this email, if they open it, take actions on this our offer, we are going to be getting paid for it. So this is all about this video, as simple as that. See you next time in our next video. Peace out.